Hello, Assalamu alaikum. मेरा नाम Dalal Sarfraz है and I'll be presenting you with my perfume bottle. This presentation took over 200 plus hours and 50 plus hours just for rendering. I have used 6 different apps. I hope you like my presentation. And if you have any further questions, you can refer to the PDF. Inspiration is something that makes you mentally stimulated to do or feel something. One of the products that makes me feel amazed each time is Ferrari. I really feel amazed by the amount of work that has gone into every detail of the car. From the roar of its engine to its seamless design, it's all perfect to me. I chose Ferrari not because I liked it, but because it really inspires me to do better.
Trova nelle nostre macchine qualcosa di diverso. Non dico che sia sempre in meglio, no, ma qualche cosa di diverso. Perché? Perché c'è l'apporto intellettivo del
Profumo takes inspiration from the legend of Enzo Ferrari. I started off with studying the iconic designs of Ferrari, including 812 GTS, F8 Tributo, Portofino, Ferrari FF, and Roma. I found all the mentioned cars have something in common. Their design is silent and singular. Ferrari did not only make a car, he created a feeling. And my aim while designing the form was to make something that could mimic the feeling. Profumo design is based on performance and beauty, the two features that define Ferrari in itself. I started off with a lot of clutter and noise, but as I progressed with my sketches, the design became obvious and I stopped when I felt why would it be anything else? My creative voice had reached its final stage. I have tried to make the bottle as simple as possible and has unity in overall form. In the start, I tried to make quadrihedral modules which combine to form the whole perfume, but I found that this is causing visual resistance to my idea of streamlined and unified body. Thus, I tried to do more experiments with organic and curvilinear shapes. I didn't want to make an alien organic form, but I still wanted to keep the slight taste of novelty in the bottle's form. Once I have selected few forms that satisfied my design concept, I just chose the form which can have maximum detail and functionality. I would define my design as contemporary, singular, and aesthetic. Logo. Redesigned the logo while retaining the original iconic design. Profumo comes from Italian word meaning scent. The language carries the history of Ferrari, and I made sure that both the logo and name once again reflected their heritage. Design. Since the ideation of the form has already been explained, I will be discussing solely the technical and functional aspects of the design. We can start off with a question: why this design? Why not a square bottle or one made from plastic? To answer this query, I will have to raise another question. Do we design to embellish a product or to make it better? The answer is clear. Design is for betterment, and thus the path to an ideal product is clear. remove all problems in the pre-existing design. Let me guide you through the 3 most common shortcomings of a perfume bottle and explain how I applied my design solutions to them. Problem 1. Cracks. If you use perfumes quite often, you are aware of the dreadful fear of perfume bottle falling accidentally and shattering into pieces. To avoid this unfortunate fate, the base of the bottle is attached separately so that even if the base cracks, the glass bottle does not. In addition to the base protecting the bottle from fall, I used a special gel to glue both parts, which also act as a cushion. This glue is called Alpha Gel, and it's magical. This silicone-based super shock absorber absorbs all the momentum and provides high vibrational damping. It is glued between the 2 parts by a unique process called optical bonding. And yes, Alpha Gel is cost-effective and available commercially. Problem 2. Aging. As a product ages, the functionality decreases, but not with Ferrari or with Profumo. My aim was to create a product that ages beautifully and becomes a timeless memento even after its use. A common problem in perfume bottles is that when the level of perfume inside the bottle decreases, the spray has difficulty in suction. To ease the process, I used a cone-shaped internal structure instead of a cylindrical or a cuboid structure. This enables the tube to always stay in contact with perfume present at the bottom of the cone. Another issue arises when the bottle is low on perfume. A vacuum is created inside the bottle as the perfume decreases. This creates a low pressure area inside the bottle that can affect the strength of the overall structure. To address this issue, the bottle is filled with compressed inert gas, which expands over time as the perfume is used, maintaining the internal pressure equal to the external pressure. Once again, it's safe and commercially available. Fun fact: argon is the 3rd most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere, and it does not react with any other element. Problem 3. Spray. Commonly used sprayers create large droplets of perfume which take time to be absorbed by the cloth and thus are mostly vaporized. In making Profumo, I solved this problem by replacing the sprayer with a specially designed aerator. It creates 10 times smaller acetone droplets which have a higher chance of being absorbed by the cloth, delivering more fragrance with lesser perfume. This means Profumo lasts longer, not only on your shirt but also on your dresser. Profumo brings the rich elegance, performance, and beauty of Ferrari into every man's reach. This is design that is beautiful and balanced at the same time. And I think the world would be a much better looking place and breed better products if we all designed like Ferrari.